Hello dear friends, welcome to Chronicle. In this video, I will show you how to fix your Windows 11 laptop battery drain problem. Battery drain is a common complaint by Windows 11 users, but there are a few things that you can try that will help fix this issue. So first of all, go to settings and systems, click on troubleshoot, and in troubleshoot click on other troubleshoot, and at power click on run. So it will detect issue and it will resolve. So this is the first method. And second, what you can do is you can set this issue by changing power plan. So go to settings and click on power and battery. From power mode, select best power efficiency. Click on best power efficiency. Already my plan is best power efficiency. And one more method is under battery saver. Select any percentage you want from the drop down menu to turn battery saver on. You can also adjust the graphic setting for apps you suspect are draining your battery. So just search and type graphic setting, click on graphic settings, select open and click on the app you wish to adjust graphic setting for, and just click on option, select the power saving option and click save. If you regularly use laptop for streaming videos, watching movies, etc., you should optimize your video setting to ensure that they don't drain your battery. So open setting app, select app, click on video playback. From drop down menu next to battery option, select for optimize for battery life, and you can also further click on the checkbox next to play video at a lower resolution when on battery. Also, what you can do is you can check for the background apps. Open the setting app, select power and battery from the right pane, click on battery usage. You will find a list of apps that are using your battery. If you feel any app is unimportant, click on the three vertical dots and select manage background activity. Under the background apps permission drop down menu, select never. And one more method is click on the search icon and type control panel, click open. From view by drop down menu, select large icon, select power options. Now click on choose what the power buttons do from the left pane and select change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck turn on fast startup and select save changes. I hope these tips helps you get a better laptop battery life and fix battery drain issues. Let us know me if you have more tips. Please comment and just please subscribe this channel. Thank you.